Excellent. It looks like they are probably ready, so I'll check in with them. And are you ready to start?
You know, we have a room full of Feldenkrais people, and we're coming up with some clever things with the technology, and we're happy to be here.
Yes, thanks for showing up wherever you are around the world. Hello.
So this is a really important topic, and it's different doing this online versus live, but we have a few practitioners with us tonight,
Yes.
locally
Yay.
with us in this room. As far as doing public talks, it's actually, if you're nervous about speaking in public, it's really fun to join with another practitioner, maybe even somebody in a different modality where you both present your work is another nice way to get your feet wet with being in public and having support with another colleague. So that's something we're going to try to talk about, new things tonight that we didn't mention in the last talk, because you'll have that talk to draw from. We're going to be having some new lessons that we're giving tonight and talk about different ATM and FIs. And so it'll be some fresh material, but also some review of really important things that we felt are really critical to make a successful talk.
And I heard many people say, oh, I'm here because I want to know how to talk about this method better. And you know, it is a challenge to talk about. And one of the important things that we reiterated last time, and it's still so important to say it again, is that when you do these kind of public talks, it is, for both of us believe this, and just comes from experience of not doing this, is it's not helpful to just get in there and talk. You have to talk and then have a direct sensory experience. Do a little mini ATM. Blend in some of the principles. Do a little FI demo. We call them FI-like demos because we know they're not true FIs, so that people have an embodied sense for these principles to land in. And it is a bit of an art to weave that, but you find that through the process of doing it. And just remembering that you know so much more, and really they can take a bit of the information, and they're not going to be able to absorb all of it. So you don't need to explain the whole thing. You want to be able to give them some succinct sensations and principles that they can take away. And one of those is curiosity about what it is.
I want to just start with a little sensory connection, because even though this is an online workshop about how to give a public talk, we want to model what we do. And so I want to just start with, and this is a fun thing to do in any public talk, is how can you engage with people quickly? And there's so many different ways. And maybe I'll have an idea and you can have an idea.
Absolutely.
So from my years of study with martial arts and meditation practices, breathing is it, man. I mean, breathing is my quick way home. So I'm going to just do something with you right now as a thing you could apply in a talk, all right? And so I want you to just take a moment and look at your hands, okay? And see which one do you look at first.